I just generated 40 AI images in the last 10 minutes, and I haven't spent a single credit. So I gave myself one rule: make a complete, long-form AI video using only Vheer AI's free tools. No paid model, no video credits, no cheating. Here's what happened, and honestly, one part of this almost broke the whole challenge. Quick context so this makes sense. Vheer AI claims its core tools are free and unlimited. Text-to-image, restyling, background tools, dozens of style generators. But video generation? That runs on credits. So the real question isn't, is Vheer free? It's how far can free actually take you before you hit a paywall? That's the challenge. One long video. 0 credits, if I can manage it. Let's start testing. Vheer's dashboard has basically 4 zones: image generation, image editing, video conversion, and a huge library of style-specific tools. I'm not going to walk you through the UI like a manual. I'm just going to start testing, and you'll see how it works as we go. First test, bare bones prompt, nothing fancy. Okay, actually not bad for a first try. Let me try the same prompt through their Prompt Enhance feature. Whoa. Same prompt, way more detail. That's a genuinely useful feature for people who aren't good at prompting, which, if we're honest, is most of us. Now let's push it. Okay, pose held up, but I lost some facial detail in the process. Let's try it again with a more specific prompt. Better. Lesson learned. This tool rewards specificity. This is the one I actually care about most for a long video, because the hardest part of any AI video is keeping the same character across multiple shots. Let's stress, test it. Genuinely one of the most useful free tools on here if you're compositing scenes. Real quick, I know some of you are thinking, this sounds like other free AI tools. And yeah, the free unlimited image generation space is getting crowded. What sets Vheer apart isn't necessarily raw image quality. It's that everything lives in one dashboard. Generation, editing, restyling, and video, instead of bouncing between 5 different sites. That convenience is the actual selling point here, not top-tier output quality. Okay, so far, free tiers held up better than I expected. But here's where the challenge gets real, turning all these stills into an actual long video. This is where credits usually come in. Let's see if I can avoid them. Here's exactly how I built this, step by step, live. I wrote out every shot in a doc first. This matters because every wasted generation costs time and eventually credits. I'm not improvising in the tool. For every shot, I generated the still image first using unlimited text-to-image and only moved forward once I was happy with it. This one took 3 tries before the lighting looked right, but all 3 were free. Instead of regenerating my character from scratch every scene, I fed the same reference back through context. Saved me probably a dozen extra generations. Vheer lets you batch background removal, so I queued 4 images at once instead of doing them one by one. Small thing, but it adds up over a full video. Now here's the twist I mentioned. Turning stills into actual moving video clips does require credits. That part isn't avoidable if you want motion, not just a slideshow. So the honest answer to the challenge, I got the entire pre-production. Every image, every character, every background, done for free. Motion is the one piece that isn't free. Vheer's video clips come out short per generation, so to get something genuinely long form, I exported each clip and stitched them together in a free editor. This part's outside Vheer, but it's what makes the difference between a few AI clips and an actual video. A few things surprised me making this. I genuinely didn't expect the free image tools to hold up for an entire video's worth of assets. They did. The character consistency issue in context was the one real friction point. I regenerated a couple of shots because the face drifted too much. The credit system only kicked in exactly where I expected it to. Video motion, which, credit to them, is at least predictable. So, final verdict on Vheer AI in 2026. The free tier is genuinely unlimited for images, not a limited trial disguised as free. Everything lives in one dashboard. Huge time saver. Prompt Enhance is a real accessibility win for beginners. Background tools are fast and clean. On the downside, character consistency across scenes isn't fully reliable yet. Video motion requires credits. The one part of the unlimited promise that doesn't fully hold. And some style generators are hit or miss in quality. The best use case is creators who need a high volume of stills, quick style variations, or pre-production assets, and are willing to pay only for the final motion step. Overall, I'm giving it a 7.5 out of 10. Subscribe if this saved you some time, and I'll see you in the next one.